adventure. Today, we honor your dedication, development, and all the friendships you fostered this year. We are looking right now how confident they are. What an amazing journey it has been for each of you, Kimberly.
Tapos po yung grade 1.
Thank you, Kimberly. Your growth is a joy to witness. And now, let's bring forward our grade 1 graduates. Grade 1, you have reached a significant milestone. You are now ready to explore new